Hello everyone, this is Lilith and welcome to another one of my videos for All to New. I am a huge believer in using florals on masculine layouts. Join me today and I will show you just how to do that. For my layout, I'm going to be using the Bitterroot layering stencil. I love using floral images on my layouts. I have 4 boys, so if I were only to create layouts without florals, it would be very difficult for me because I just love using them all the time. I don't mind using pinks and soft pastel colors, but if you are a bit wary of using these more feminine colors, you can always work with colors that you associate with the people you are sending your card to or the people you are documenting about. For this scrapbook layout, I'm going to be using blues and greens. The first reason is that it matches the photo really well, and also because these are the favorite colors of my son. I am using the Lapis Lazuli crisp inks, and they have this lovely blue shade, and I'll also be using some greens from this the spring bouquet ink set. Now this is a layering stencil, so it follows the same ideas as our stamps, but instead of stamping the layers, you will be blending the layers through the stencil. The stencil has a description of how to layer the different images, and here I'm creating my little bunch, so my little flower cluster, which is composed of 2 flowers and a couple of leaves. And you can always check on the back of the packaging for the layering, or just follow me do the layering here in this video. So as you can see, I'm building up my first set of flowers and leaves. Now, what is great about this stencil set is that it comes with the coordinating die set. So you get the larger floral image as well as 2 separate flowers. I am inking up the 2 separate flowers here so that I have extra flowers to use on my layout. Once I have done that, I will cut out my images with my dies, and then I can start working on the composition of my project. I'm always looking for new ideas on how to integrate florals into my layouts. I was wondering, do you have any favorite color combinations? I would really like to try out some new ones. I usually go towards the blues or the pinks, but I'm looking for fun, maybe red combinations. Maybe you have some fun tips or ideas for me. Just pop them in the comment section. For some extra greenery, I am cutting out some leaves using dies from the Crafted Flower Buttercup set. Let's start working on the background of the layout. I love adding some subtle detail to break up the white background I have. So I'm going to use this woven stencil from All to New and just blend in some blue and green color. This is a really great way of adding some soft finishing touches to a background. You can also do this on a card. How do you add interest to the backgrounds of your projects? I would love to know. As you can see, the photo is a bit dull against this white background, so I want to make it stand out a little bit more. I picked out 2 pattern papers from a Love for Stripes paper pack. One is green and one is blue, and they match the colors of my flowers perfectly. And I'm just going to pop them beneath the photo and then layer my flowers and leaves. I'm going to create 3 clusters, a larger one, then a medium-sized one, and then a smaller one at the top, creating a visual triangle. For my title, I'll be using a couple of sentiment stamps from the Simple Roses stamp set. All I have to do now is add some handwritten journaling, a couple of enamel dots as finishing touches, and the layout is complete. For more information on all the supplies I used and some extra ideas, please go and visit the Mixed Media blog. And if you have any comments or questions, just pop them in the comments section. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you very soon with more inspiration from old to new. Bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!